Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Beginner to Expert. This is part 2. So here I'm going to show you how to create Angular 7 project by using Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code, it's basically a code editor, and you can get it from Visual Studio website. So it's totally free. Okay, so I installed that Visual Studio latest version. Now I opened one path where I will keep my project, or I will save my project. So to create the project by using CLI, we have to use the Angular command like ng new, then project name. My project name like basic 7, then press enter. So once you press enter, it will create the folder basic 7, and what are the necessary files and folders to be there in the Angular 7 project it will create. Okay, so now it is asking, would you like to add Angular routing? So if you press yes, then it will create app routing module, and it will inject in the root module like app module. So if you press no, then it won't create by default, and you have to create and you have to use your child component. So here I'm going to use, and these features actually came into the Angular 7. So it Angular 6 or Angular 5 it wasn't there. So I press yes. Then it is asking basically which style sheet format would you like to use. Yes, as of we know the CSS. So here some other preprocessor is there like SCSS, SAS, LESS. So I will recommend you to use for basic beginner purpose SCSS. And if you use SCSS, then you can write parent child style sheet. Now if I pressed yes, okay, now it is creating necessary files and folder also. And if you expand it, then you can check what are the folder and files it's creating. So it will take time, most probably 2 to 3 minutes. Now my project is successfully created. So still if you have any queries regarding this installation or project creation, then please leave a message in the comment section below.